you guys. It is a rainy, cloudy day here in Providence, Utah. We are at the Dollar Tree. So let's see. You see the clouds there, how cloudy it is. Ugh. Let's go inside and see if they got anything good for us today. You guys, Crafter Square is popping. Look at these stickers. They're like seals that you would put like on a back. Look, there's a fleur-de-lis in the heart. And leaves. And some other seals. Like, look at how gorgeous those are to put like on the back of a letter. And then look at these new rub-on patches with the spacemen. And the dinosaurs. Candy. Mermaids. And look at these gorgeous new flowers, you guys. Aren't they beautiful? And look, there's new stamps. Telling you guys, you need to hit up Crafter Square. You guys, look at these new Crafter Square stickers. Butterfly and the bird. And the coffee cups. How flipping adorable are those? Sunshine friend, hello. Look at the arrows. How cool are these, guys? And they're made out of wood. How neat. There's some more stamps for your clear stamps. We got hello, congrats, welcome, thank you, thanks for all you do. They are stepping up their crafting game here at the Dollar Tree. Look at these Crafter Square ink pads, you guys. You got green, you got blue, you got red, you got black. So you got the stamp pads. And now the ink pads to craft away. And look at these mosaic tiles, glass mosaics. Look at all those cool colors. And do all sorts of cool things with these little tiles. I really like those pastel ones. And they got primary ones. Guys, look, these new wooden cutouts. The leaves. How cool are those to DIY? And for you Gnomey fans, got some gnomes you can do. Look at these new wall decals. Do not enter. Stop. Stop right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Spice Girls. The heart. Smiley face. How cute are those, guys? And then over here, love me little and love me long. And that puppy dog. You could also maybe make it for Christmas. Put some Christmas stuff on there. This is us with the pupper. Friends are the family you choose. How sweet are those, you guys? Alright, I had to show you guys. Look at these. Blend, contour, highlight sponges from Sashi and Chic. Got the purple, green and blue, mauves and pink. Those would also be amazing stocking stuffers, you guys. Christmas will be here before you know it. Look at these mini sponges, you guys. Aren't they the cutest little things you've ever seen? Oh my goodness. Latex free.
Even in your dreams.
And then you got the antimicrobial infused with silver sponge.
But I was never able to find out what was the problem.
And then infused with green tea. Super nice, y'all. Look at all these Mist Spa masks with retinol, age defying. Watermelon hydrating sheet mask, glycolic acid exfoliating sheet mask, charcoal purifying, and then down here they have the Way to Skin essence mask. Very nice, you guys. Guys, look, they have a privacy pouch. Discreetly hold your feminine products. And this nice sage green. This pretty pink. You can also store all sorts of other things in those as well. Alright, I have to show you. Look. Look at the bird. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. I said a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. I just thought it was cool. Alright, I had to show you guys. Look at these really cool mermaid scale pens. How gorgeous are those? Just grab one of those in a journal. What a cute gift. Look at these, you guys. They're called an infinity cube. So it's kind of like a fidget thing. And look, I'll get closer. You can do all sorts of cool stuff with it. So if you need someone or know someone that's into fidget toys, these are really cool. Also make really good stocking stuffers, just saying. Okay, check it out, you guys. Avengers Black Panther Velcro wallets for just $1.25. They don't have any other kind, just Black Panther, but that's still a good deal if you got an Avengers fan at home. All right, I'm at the Dollar Tree in Logan, Utah on Main Street. So we'll go inside and see if we get lucky here too. Come on along. Guys, look, check it out. Dr. Bubbles Bubble Bath. The biggest, longest bubbles. There's bubblegum pink in bubblegum and green sour apple. I wonder how awesome those bubbles are. You guys remember Mr. Bubbles? That's what I grew up with. All right, you guys, I know. It's not Christmas yet, but look. 4-piece loofah set. Look at those gorgeous colors. That would make an awesome stocking stuffer, or added with like some body wash and a face mask would be a really awesome gift. Okay, look at these guys. Antibacterial wipes, Bio Pure. I have not seen these before. Kills germs. No parabens, sulfates, phthalates. Have you guys seen these? I haven't seen these kind of wipes before. I'm going to grab a couple and try them out. Alright, you guys. This store has Black Panther pencil boxes. Warrior King. Black Panther from Marvel. And they're metal. Those are super nice too. Go with that Black Panther wallet from the other store. Alright, they have the pajamas here at the store on Main Street in Logan. They got these cute little ones. Just make sure when you're buying them, you guys, that you're looking to make sure that they say flame resistant. Because there's some that do not say that, and you don't want that in your kids, because you don't want your kids like catching on fire. So they have cute little race cars. Look at how flipping cute that panda is. And then they have the game for the game. We got a 5T here. 3T here. What's this one? 2T there. So super cute for gifts if you need gifts for little ones. You got one lonely set of ped socks. The liners for the ladies. The only brand name socks I see. You guys, look at how adorable these ornaments are. These are definitely new this year. Look at that beautiful snowflake. And the reindeer with the tree. And look, isn't that just, aren't they gorgeous, you guys? Now, these are some high quality ornaments. That's what I'm talking about. You guys, if you missed out last year, get in on these super cute fabric trees. They got the plaid and they got the buffalo check. They are so cute and such a great deal for only $1.25. Look at these wooden picks, you guys. Got leaves, flowers, butterflies. Those are super cute, y'all. Hey, you guys, look, check it out. Peppercorn Ranch Pop Daddy pretzel sticks. Made with flavors so bold, it's lip-smacking, finger-licking goodness and crunch. And then they also have it in cinnamon and sugar. I don't know how I feel about cinnamon sugar pretzel sticks, but this peppercorn ranch, that might be kind of good. You guys, look. These look new to me. Wortman Bakery vanilla wafers baked with real vanilla. Chocolate wafers baked with real cocoa. Strawberry wafers baked with real strawberry. No artificial colors or flavors. No high fructose corn syrup. I think I'm going to have to give the chocolate ones a try, y'all. Okay. I don't think I've seen chocolate animal crackers before. Have you guys? No artificial flavors or preservatives, nut and peanut free, dairy and egg free. Happy snacks. Those are cute. And they're chocolate. Sounds kind of yummy. Chocolate and animal crackers, two of my favorite things. Okay, look you guys, I found regular animal crackers. And you know what I just realized? Duh. You guys, look, they're plant-based. So I think we're going to have a Dollar Tree snack taste test video coming your way. What do you think? Comment down below. You guys want me to try out some of these snacks and tell you what I think? Let me know. Guys, look at these new coffee mugs. North Pole bed and breakfast hot cocoa served here. How freaking cute is that? And this one just says hot cocoa served here. Happy holidays. Nice until proven naughty. I like it. I got baking spirits bright. Home sweet gnome. Cookies for Santa. Oh, cute. And look at this one. North Pole cookies for Santa. Guys, these are so cute, but I love this one. North Pole bed and breakfast. How adorable is that? And then look, they also got you covered here. Throw in a packet of some hot cocoa mix with a couple of those mugs. What a great little gift.